Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to use Expedia for flights. So the first step is to simply go to expedia.com and then simply click on flights. Now here what you're going to have to do is to simply choose here your type of flight. So you have economy, premium economy, business class and first class. So you're gonna have to choose that and then simply choose from where you are leaving. So let's say you're leaving from New York. So what you're gonna have to do is to simply choose your airport and then simply choose where you want to go. So let's say Rome, and then you're gonna have to choose the dates. And after that, you're gonna have to choose how many travelers, and then here as you can see you have different options, so you can add a place to stay or add a car, but I'm not gonna choose that. Now as you can see, this is a round trip, so basically you're gonna have you're gonna fly on 17, and then you're gonna go back on basically you're gonna have to choose when you want to go get back. Now if you want to can go one way, so basically only one way, and then you're gonna have to buy another ticket there or make another purchase, but I'm gonna do this for this tutorial and then simply click on search. Now Expedia will do all the work for us, and then it's gonna look for different tickets, and you can see here different times, different as you can see prices, and basically you're gonna have to simply click on any of these and then simply choose your ticket. So you have here different as you can see you're gonna have the option to choose the seat. As you can see on this one you don't have the choice of seat. Now you're gonna have other types of tickets here, as you can see, up to $12,000. But after you select this one, you're gonna have to simply click on select, and then basically what you're gonna have to do is to simply go and pay, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.